Hello and welcome to Butler-HQ, and today we're going to highlight 5 dislikes with our sub £1,000 E38.
Cheaper than a used iPhone from Cash Converters. And how do we know that?
We checked.
Well, I did. So let's get on it. 5 things we dislike, hate about our new E38 7 Series.
Hi, Mum.
Even though very good feature when you got your shopping bags, for somebody like me who are used to a 3-button fob, it can get quite annoying when you go to open it and you open the boot instead. That's happened many a times.
So on older BMWs, the bonnet's always open from the rear up, which is a very good safety feature, I find. So I think this one is a step backwards, but I do like the shocks on the bonnet, which helps lift it up. I think that's quite cool.
The next one is shoddy plastic trim. Now we are from the era of the E34. And you can see, getting out of E34, we took the 540 for a little drive yesterday, and you can sort of see that the plastics and just, I don't know, just don't feel up to standard. Plus, on inspection, it seems that in this anyway, all the plastic has started life as being grey and it's been painted or dyed, which you can see there, and you can see in the cracks as well. So instead of using pigmented plastics, it seems like it's just the top that's been pigmented, which for a BMW and a 7 Series, that's definitely a no from me.
So now I'm gonna contradict myself, because on the E34 I prefer a pre-facelift bottom. I just think it looks better. So going back to the E38, even though I do like that, I'm surprised that when they did launch these in '94, they didn't come with these skirts on the sills. Very surprised, which I think would have been a more upmarket feature for the 7s. But yes, on the E34s I do prefer pre-facelift.
Another thing I wholeheartedly dislike is the lack of a proper handbrake. The handbrake is a pedal down here, like on the old Range Rovers. I know the space and all that, but I think it's just a thing to go wrong. That's why I don't use it. And that is
Our 5 hates about the E38.
That's right. 5 hates about the E38. And because it's big damp outside, we thought we'd finish the 5 things about the E38 in the back of the E38.
Which is one of the best things about the E38.
It's the back.
It is.
I mean, it's right. I'm just don't lag on too much. When you get to a car like this calibre, the best seats in the house, in the car, are the back seats.
And also, it's got something in common with the E34s in the back as well. That, which is annoying, really. Yeah.
We'll get that. Could get that fixed, couldn't you? It's how much of a.
Nah, it's nothing.
It's just they tucked the edging, which they did on the E34.
No.
They took the edge
No,
today.
they didn't, no.
But they upgraded for glue. And on that note, I'd like to say thank you for watching, and until next time,
Bye-bye.
bye-bye.
And hopefully it's drier next time.
And hopefully we can get out.
Yeah.
No, I'll call that.
Oh.
Let's go have a cup of tea.